Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. What I wanted to do is make a quick video. First, before jumping into the video, I just wanted to show you guys where I made a mistake. So let me zoom in. And I'm not really over my cold just yet, but I'm getting there. So my voice is a little dry and crackly. So, one, I forgot all about Straight Talk. The phone plan is typically due on the 18th, which is today when you see this video. It may be tomorrow. I don't really know. So the amount was $98.83. So what I did was put a line through February bills for $100 and use that amount for the phone plan. That way everything else would stay the same. So if we jump into what I really came on here for, which is going over, if I can get it out, all of my rollover cash that I've been saving. I know I've only started saving since about, I don't know, October. I think it's been October since I've actually had rollover cash to save. So we'll just say that I've been saving this money since October. So let's see how much we have. And before we do that, I want to let you guys know that I do have $158 for rollover cash in the bank. And the reason I have that amount in the bank is because when I went through and did my cash envelopes, I took cash from here for the cash envelopes and just left the money in the bank that I was going to get for the cash envelopes, because it wouldn't make sense to take this to the bank only to withdraw it. So that's why it's like this. So we know we got $158 in the bank, and I'll just put a screenshot of that somewhere up in here. So we have 158 and we have 100. And I'm just going to keep track of this on my calculator. And then we have 20, 25, 30, 35. So $35, which brings us to a total of $293 at the moment. Next, we want to go ahead and count all of these ones. So leave your guess down below how much or how many ones I actually had. I'll give you a quick second. So we have, let me do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Shout out to Kris Budgets for giving me the idea of just starting the rollover amount over. 31, 32, 33. Remember this dollar? I'm telling you, it's a scribble dollar. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $17. So that means we have $185 in cash. And if we add $158, which is the amount that I have in the bank just sitting there, that means we have $343 for rollover that I've been saving since October, I believe. So all of this money is most likely going to the bank. Now what I'm thinking about doing is putting this money towards my Capital One. Not Capital One. I'm thinking about putting all of this money towards my medical bill for Vanderbilt. I owe them $480, I believe. I don't know. I'll put the screenshot somewhere in here. So that's it. I just wanted to count this cash. That way I can start over when I do have rollover from the first paycheck. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below. Have a great rest of your day.